Hello friends, today I will show you that how we can earn Bitcoin without any investment, right? So what you have to do, you have to find app, Slidecoin app. As you can see the finger sign, just install this app. You have to just register, you have to put your name and your email ID and your password, and this is the important thing, referral code. I will give you my referral code. As you will put your referral code, you will receive 300 slide coin. So my referral code you can note down. It is HUM404. As you will put this referral code, you will receive the 300 slide coins. So here you can write my referral code. You have to just register. You will receive confirmation. So here I should get saying that I am already registered, so I will log in. I will click on the login. It's showing the wrong. As you can see, I have already received the email. I have to confirm my slide coin account. So it is successfully registered. Now let me try login. It's saying again so the most important thing, you have to verify your this you have to confirm your account through by link, otherwise it will show the wrong password. So this is the most important thing, and it's saying use Slidecoin instead of messaging as your. If you will use your Slidecoin as messaging, you will also earn the coins. Now you are all set up to begin earning bits throughout the day. Use the button below to check your earning, maximize your bitcoins. As you can see, I have received 300 free coins due to referral. So this is just for to show you that how we can earn, and this is the messenger. You can do messages, so you can send anyone message also, so every time you will get the coins here. So friends, I will show you that we can set up payment. Please enter the email address where you want to all the future Bitcoin payment we send. So you have to ensure that you have to make account in the coinbase. Alright, so this is the site coinbase.com. You have to ensure that you have to create the account. and I have already given my email address here. So whatever email ID you put in Coinbase to register, you have to give that email ID. So I have given this email ID, so I will use this one. I will again put this one, then I will click on the, so this is already set up, so you have to set up only one time. So now the condition is you have to account also in the Twitter. So as you can see the message is here, so I just type hi and I just tweet. So the payment will be transferred to the my, and I will receive the email also regarding this. Let's see, is there any email? So again we will try, just we will tweet. So this is payment sent. Your payment has been sent. Normally it takes 15 minutes to appear in your inbox, but please allow 12 hours. So this is the confirmation that immediately whatever you want you can transfer in your account, right? So let's check that either I receive the coins or not. So friends, you can see here that I have received the 0.003 in my Coinbase. So this is the proof that whatever you earn, you can transfer it after 24 hours. So many people ask me that how we can make the account. It's very simple. Just click on and find coin app, sorry, Coinbase. You have to find, so this is the sign I already installed. Just open it, sign up, just put your name, first name, last name, password, and you can set up as. So as I am trying to log in, it's asking me the verification code. Let's see where I will get the code. I will check my email address is there. So I will try send SMS. So friend, this, so friend, you just sign up, put your name, sorry, email ID. You have to put your email ID. Let's see. I have to check my email ID. I have to confirm my account. So friend, I received email. I have to verify my email ID. So my email ID is verified. Now I am able to log in. Agree. So this is my email ID. You can transfer the coins from coinbase to any currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. So these are the apps. So friend, you have to not to do anything here. Just open your dashboard and just leave it. So your this app will mine automatically the coins, right? So I feel this is the wonderful app that it gives the I mean we can immediately transfer after 24 hours whatever we earn. So remember my referral code. This is important. Always put this code so you will receive the 300 coins. As you can see, my two friends, I think, sorry, three, now it's three people have joined through my link. So right now I am receiving 373 coins, right? So this is the wonderful app because it gives 50% of Slidecoin earnings for lifetime, and my referral will also get 10% more per day as an incentive to sign up through you. So this is the wonderful. If you will use my this referral code, you will get the 10% more. That's wonderful. So friend, enjoy. If you have any query, you can ask me. I will also put the link in this video. Thank you.